Namaste to Principal Sir of DV Public School Dhori. I am going to explain lesson of class 8, and this one is from English practice book, second lesson. The chapter is narration. Worksheet 1. Read the sentences. First, some examples are given. Read the sentences given in two boxes. Box A. Tarun said to Ruchi, I got an A plus in my history assignment. Ruchi said to Tarun, oh, that is great. Which book did you refer to? Tarun said to Ruchi, I got in the information from the internet. Ruchi said to Tarun, I wish I too had the internet at home. Can you suggest to me some book to refer to? Tarun said to Ruchi, you can refer to an encyclopedia. Ruchi said to Tarun, thank you for your advice, Tarun. So this one is from box A. So from box A, everything which is given, the extract, the person exactly which told. तो वक्ता जो अपने खुद का सेंटेंस बोले हैं वो हुबहू डायरेक्ट उसमें बताया गया है. Box B. Tarun told Ruchi that he had got an A plus in his history assignment. Ruchi exclaimed that that was great. She asked him which book he had referred to. Tarun replied that he had got the information from the internet. Ruchi wished that she too had the internet at home. She asked him if he could suggest to her a book to refer to. Tarun suggested that she could refer to an encyclopedia. Ruchi thanked Tarun for his suggestion. The sentence in box A are the actual words spoken by two people. तो दोनों आदमी का actual जो word है वो बताए हैं वो दिया गया है. These sentences are presented in direct speech. तो आदमी का मुंह से जो वाक्य निकलेगा, जो एक्चुअल वर्ड जो बताता है वो जब निकलेगा तब वो क्या होगा, डायरेक्ट स्पीच. एंड बॉक्स बी, इन sentences in box B are reported by someone else in their own words. These are in indirect speech. तो कोई बॉक्स बी में कोई आदमी बोले रिपोर्टिंग के रूप में अपना भाषा में देयर ओन वर्ड्स, वो लोग का ही स्पीच अपना भाषा में बोले तो ये क्या है, वो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच है, इनडायरेक्टली बताया गया है, डायरेक्टली नहीं. नेक्स्ट, रीड द एग्जांपल्स गिवन बिलो एंड नोट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. रिधि सेज आई वांट टू लर्न फ्रेंच. रिधि सेज दैट शी वांट्स टू लर्न फ्रेंच. तो पहले रिधि जो बताया डायरेक्टली वो बोला गया और बाद में उसको रिपोर्टेड फॉर्म में बताया गया. रिधि सेज दैट शी वांट्स टू लर्न फ्रेंच. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, अंकित सेड टू रिया आई विल गो टू मलेशिया नेक्स्ट वीक. ये है डायरेक्ट सेंटेंस. और इनडायरेक्ट क्या है, अंकित टोल्ड रिया दैट ही वुड गो टू मलेशिया द फॉलोइंग वीक. तो इसमें अंकित का बात को बताया गया, इसमें रिपोर्टेड फॉर्म में बताया गया. रिमेंबर, while changing direct speech into indirect speech, the following points should be kept in mind. Inverted commas and the common separating the reported speech from the rest of the sentence should be removed. तो inverted comma और comma जो दोनों पार्ट का रिपोर्टेड स्पीच और रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब का जो अलग करते हैं, ये सब इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में नहीं रहेगा. A conjunction if needed is used after the reporting verb. अगर कंजंक्शन का जरूरत होगा रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के बाद तो यूज होगा. The tense of the speech is changed according to the tense of the reporting verb. तो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब का अनुसार जो सेंटेंस का टेंस का परिवर्तन होगा. If the reporting verb is in present of or future, the tense of the reported speech remains unchanged. यही बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब का जो टेंस है वो प्रेजेंट फॉर्म में रहेगा या तो फ्यूचर में रहेगा, तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का कोई टेंस का चेंज नहीं होगा. और इफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज इन पास्ट टेंस, द टेंस ऑफ द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच चेंजेस इनटू अ करस्पॉन्डिंग पास्ट टेंस. तो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब अगर पास्ट टेंस में रहेगा तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का टेंस का अनुसार चेंज होगा. पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस आई, यू, ही, पोजीशंस माई, योर, हिज, हर and words denoting time and nearness of position are changed according to the rules explained in the following pages. Isha says the teacher will check the notebooks tomorrow. Reporting verb in simple present. Isa says that the teacher will check the notebooks tomorrow. Isa will say the teacher will check the notebooks tomorrow. Next page 26. 26. Isa will say that the teacher will check the notebooks tomorrow. Isa said the teacher will check the notebooks tomorrow. Isa said that the teacher would check the notebooks the next day. Next 4. Isa said to Ritu the teacher will check the notebooks tomorrow. Isa told Ritu that the teacher would check the notebooks the next day. Remember, in assertive sentences, statements reporting verb said remains unchanged. If it is not followed by to, i.e. it is not followed by an object, or it changed into told, replied, suggested, etc. as per the context. तो इसमें कुछ है इज एम आर तो वाज वेयर हो जाएगा, इसमें रहेगा रिपोर्ट डायरेक्ट में तो इनडायरेक्ट में चेंज होगा. वाज वेयर रहने से हैड बीन होगा, हैड रहने से नो चेंज, हैड बीन रहने से नो चेंज. डू डज रहने से डिड होगा, डिड रहने से हैड डन होगा, हैड डन रहने से नो चेंज. विल शैल रहने से वुड, मे कैन रहने से मे माइट और कैन कुड में चेंज होगा. और वुड शुड माइट कुड ऑट टू यूज टू ये सब कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. मस्ट में मस्ट हैड टू depending upon the context. Next page number 27. 27. कुछ वर्ड में चेंज ऑफ वर्ड्स एक्सप्रेसिंग टाइम एंड प्लेस. तो दिस और दीज में चेंज होगा. दैट में डायरेक्ट स्पीच और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. तो दिस और दीज रहेगा तो इनडायरेक्ट में दैट और दोज हो जाएगा. हियर रहने से देयर होगा, नाउ रहने से देन होगा, ऑफन ओमिटेड. और एगो रहने से बिफोर रहेगा, बिफोर होगा. यस्टरडे रहने से द प्रीवियस डे और द डे बिफोर होगा. टुमारो रहने से द नेक्स्ट डे और द फॉलोइंग डे रहेगा. टुडे रहने से दैट डे होगा. नाउ रीड द फॉलोइंग टेबल केयरफुली. कन्वर्शन ऑफ डायरेक्ट स्पीच इनटू रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. स्टेटमेंट असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस. कॉमा इज रिमूव्ड एंड दैट इज यूज्ड एज कंजंक्शन. तो असर्टिव स्टेटमेंट, असर्टिव सेंटेंस के बारे में जो विवृतिमूलक वर्णनामूलक सेंटेंस है उसमें क्या होगा, दैट इज यूज्ड एज ए कंजंक्शन. तो कंजंक्शन के रूप में दैट यूज होगा. सेड टू इज चेंज इनटू टोल्ड, स्टेटेड, रिमार्क्ड, आंसर्ड, रिप्लाइड, क्लेम्ड, आर्ग्यूड, प्रोमिस्ड, बोस्टेड etc. टेंसेस, पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस एंड possessives and words expressing time and place are changed as per the rules already discussed. Robi said to Pooja, I can solve this question in 5 minutes. Robi told Pooja that he could solve that questions in 5 minutes. Next, in questions, interrogative sentences. Question mark is removed and interrogative form is changed into assertive form. तो क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं रहेगा और इंटरोगेटिव फॉर्म रहेगा, हो जाएगा assertive form में. Comma is removed and no conjunction is used if the sentence begins with a question word. तो क्वेश्चन वर्ड से शुरू होने से कंजंक्शन नहीं रहेगा. Which, who, whom, whose, why, where, how, what etc. If or whether is used as a conjunction if the sentence is a yes no type question. तो yes no type question के समय if और whether होगा और WH words रहने से if और whether नहीं होगा. Said to is changed into asked, questions, inquired, demanded etc. 4. Tenses, pronouns and words expressing time and place are changed as per the rules already discussed. Next, commands, requests, advice, imperative sentences. Comma is removed. Number 1, comma is removed. Comma नहीं होगा. The verb of the direct speech is changed into an infinitive. To plus verb में change होगा. Said to is changed into ordered, commanded, requested, begged, asked, advised, suggested etc. Tenses, pronouns and words expressing time and place are changed as per the rules. Ravi said to Pooja, solve this question in 5 minutes. Ravi ordered Pooja to solve that question in 5 minutes. Next page number 28. 28. Next 28 students will read. The few examples are given, then that type of. Next worksheet 3. Change the following assertive sentences into reported speech. The Prime Minister has announced a relief package for the farmers, said the reporter. यहाँ पर होगा the reporter said that the Prime Minister had announced a relief package for the farmers. 2. Mohit says, I will invite all my friends to my birthday party. This muga Mohit says that he will invite all his friends to his birthday party. Next three. Amar said to Priya, my class teacher has agreed to grant me 2 weeks leave. So hoga Amar told Priya that his class teacher had agreed to grant him 2 weeks leave. Next question 4. Next page. Question 4. Rajesh said to Kusum, I lost my mobile phone yesterday. Rajesh told Kusum that he had lost his mobile phone the day before. Next 5. Ritu said to Aman, you have not finished your homework yet. So Ritu told Aman that he had not finished his homework yet. 6. Pawan said, we have bought a new house. We are shifting to the new house next week. So 6. Pawan told that they had bought a new house. They were shifting to the new house the following week. 7. Mother said, I am glad you have reached home in time. The weather is getting really bad. Mother answer hoga. Mother told that she was glad I had reached home in time. The weather was getting really bad. Then 8. Manya says, I love staying at my grandma's house. She tells me nice stories and takes me to the park. She also cooks my favorite pasta. Manya says that she loves staying at her grandma's house. She tells her nice stories and takes her to the park. She also cooks her favorite pasta. Next 9. The cricketer said to the reporter, I have always played earnestly for my country. I have put my country's honor and my team's interests above everything else. I am thankful to the people of the country who have always shown faith in my abilities. 9. Please zoom in. The cricketer told the reporter that he had always played earnestly for his country. He had put his country's honor and his team's interests above everything else. He is thankful to the people of the country who had always shown faith in his abilities. 10. Ramit said to Asu, I am sorry I cannot give you the book this weekend. I gave the book for photocopying on Thursday, but the shopkeeper says he will take at least 5 days to photocopy the whole book. Listen 10. So Ramit told Asu that he was sorry he could not give her the book that weekend. He had given the book for photocopying on Thursday, but the shopkeeper said he would take at least 5 days to photocopy the whole book. Next worksheet 4. Next page number 30. Worksheet 4. 1. The teacher asked the students, have you understood the question? Here interrogative sentence. The teacher asked the students if they had understood the question. Full stop will be here. Next 2. Ritu said to Rohit, how will you complete the assignment in 2 days? This means Ritu asked Rohit how he would complete the assignment in 2 days. Next 3. The child asked mother, why don't the stars in the sky fall down? The child asked mother why the stars did not fall down in the sky. Then 4. Namita said to Aruna, which of the two sarees is better? 4. Namita asked Aruna which of the two sarees is better. 5. Can you teach me French? Said Tisa to Suman. Tisa asked Suman if she could teach her French. 6. The worried father said to his son, which train have you boarded? Have you checked your ticket number? 6. The worried father asked his own son which train he had boarded and asked if he had checked his ticket number. 7. The manager said to the candidate, what are your qualifications? In what way can you benefit our company? 7. The manager asked the candidate what his qualifications were. in what way he could benefit their company. 8. Remy said, Monica, how did you like the state of Florida? If given a chance, would you like to go there again? Minnie asked Monica how she had liked the state of Florida. If given a chance, should she like to go there again? So, this one is today's uh, video clip, and uh, worksheet 4, students will make worksheet 4 as a homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.